I learned English within 15 days. I can make a conversation and I can speak in English with people. And there's no hesitation and there's no less confident. There's no fear to speak in English language. That's why I am feeling so happy today. And this is day 15. Within 30 days, I will be fluent in English language. And I don't have any doubt about myself because hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 15 and today I am feeling so happy because I know I am practicing English and I am improving English. I am growing, and if you want to learn English like me, join with me and let's grow ourselves and let's build our confidence. And there was no problem to speak in English language for me. There was problem to express myself and I did not able to speak in anything. I did not know how to say and what to say. People asked me something and I did not interaction with them in English language. That was so difficult time for me. And now there is no problem to speak English language. I have to improve myself more and more. And I realized I have to practice English every day and I have to speak English with myself or with my family members. Now there is no problem to speak English language. I have to improve myself more and more. Still I am learning and I want to improve my English communication and I want to change my personality through this skill. I am not saying I am perfect in English language and I am fluent in English language, but I am saying I am able to speak now in English language. I can express myself in English language. I can make a conversation now with people. Don't make me misunderstand. I am also here to learn English language and I am also practicing. I am also improving and I want to be fluent and I want to learn this language. Thank you for watching my video. If you feel this video is informative for you, just subscribe my channel.